Hey guys, so I got an interesting comment on my video the other day asking me to make a video about online hustles for nursing mothers. I thought this would be very interesting, especially because in our part of the world there are tons of stay-at-home mothers and in the spirit of gender equality, fathers. So buckle up. Today we are going to break down 6 ways to make money online for nursing mothers and fathers. Today's video is brought to you by the Tendo app. Tendo is the fastest growing Ghanaian-owned social commerce platform right here in Africa, helping anyone sell with little capital or inventory. A lot of you have asked me how you can dropship in Ghana or sell online to make money. With Tendo you can do that and much more. They have a cool range of products that you can order from their platform. I negotiated with them to offer free deliveries to anyone who signs up using the promo code JOEL. Enter this code when you are signing up in the section referral code so that you don't miss out on all the freebies they have to offer. Visit the App Store or the Play Store to download the app and start making money today. So straight off the bat, the first online side hustle for nursing moms and pups is becoming a virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant is an ideal online side hustle because anyone can do it without a lot of experience, and it's a business you can scale very quickly. A virtual assistant can offer services that include managing emails and customer service for small businesses, light graphic design, managing schedules, account assistance, and much more. You might be wondering how you can do this from the house. Well, sign up to a platform like Fiverr, LinkedIn, or Upwork and sell virtual assistant gigs. You can also Google virtual assistant jobs and you'll find several websites you can sign up to and offer virtual assistant services. There are times when I contact a virtual assistant on Fiverr to respond to my client orders or to schedule my YouTube uploads. And there are so many people out there in different industries looking for the same kind of service. So put yourself out there, and once you are home just looking after the kids, this will be an amazing way to earn some extra cash. And just to get you pumped up for this, you can make $2,500 or 20,000 cedis every single month working as a virtual assistant. The second online side hustle for nursing moms and dads is selling an online course. But this is only assuming that you are very skilled at something. If you have an expertise in an area of specialty, you can create an online course to educate others and make money at the same time. And this is really a smart strategy because it's something you need to only create once and keep selling forever. It's digital real estate, essentially. You can start a blog or YouTube channel to give teasers of the skills that you have. And once people begin to show interest, direct them to your online course to learn the full thing from you at a fee. You can sell your course on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Fiverr, Patreon, or private videos on YouTube that only those who pay can have access to. And see, you can create a course on any skill at all that you have. I have seen everything from how to make beats, to how to make candles, to how to cook, to how to manage kids in the house. People even reach out to me to teach them how to open Fiverr accounts or how to start forex trading. Something that might seem like common knowledge to you could be something that another person is willing to pay for. And depending on how many people you get to buy your online course, you can make up to $5,000 or 36,000 cedis a month, all from the comfort of your home. Our next online side hustle is to become a freelance writer. This involves writing articles or essays for blogs or websites on any topic they give you. And mind you, this is a gig that is in very high demand. There are a lot of people who have started blogs and news websites that are in need of good writers to grow their blogs. I personally know someone who makes 2,000 cedis every month writing articles for Oprah News. He has never been to their offices. I'm not even sure he knows what they look like. All he does is sit at home, browse the internet for trendy topics, and write articles on those topics. Sometimes he also writes news that he sees on other websites, paraphrasing and injecting his own personality into the write-ups. You can sell this service on Fiverr, but it's also a good strategy to go on platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn and search for professionals who own blogs or news websites. Pitch your skills to them and get them to hire you. You can be paid per article you submit or put on a monthly salary, where in that case you are remotely employed by the blog or website. The next online side hustle gig to consider is social media management services. This simply involves managing the social media accounts of companies and individuals who are simply too busy to manage them all by themselves. If you have any experience in social media or you just love the social media world, you can launch your own social media management company. Reach out to local companies or influencers and offer packages for things like writing captions, sourcing and posting images, targeting hashtags to their market, managing a social media calendar, strategy consultation, and much more. As I mentioned in the previous side hustle, you can expose yourself to potential clients by listing a social media management gig on Fiverr or reaching out to brands and influencers on LinkedIn and Facebook. If you have no portfolio of work you have done before, offer to perform these services at a very low cost or for free. Become incredibly successful at managing the account such that your success then becomes leverage to charge your clients more or to reach out to more clients and charge them higher. So for example, having worked with your first client, you can reach out to the second potential client and say, I worked for Smash the Like Button company and I was able to get 1,000 likes on Joel Sam's YouTube channel. Are you paying attention?
Oh, thank you. You are welcome.
Smash my like button. I can offer you the same services for 2,000 cedis a month and give your brand more reach. If you get to a point where you are working for at least 10 brands or influencers per month, you'll be earning 20,000 cedis every single month just by managing social media accounts from the comfort of your home. This next online side hustle is something you have heard me say over and over again. Yes, because it is a gold mine. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Just write on topics or create videos on things you are really interested in. You could document the things you are learning as a nursing parent, the difficulties and struggles like having a human alarm clock that won't let you sleep, the joys and accomplishments like finally learning how to clean poop and change the diaper. You know, the new things you are learning and the tips for those who are now coming up. Once you reach a large audience with your blog or channel, you can earn income by hosting ads, doing sponsored posts or videos, and offering affiliate marketing, links to products that earn you a commission, like feeding bottles, baby car seats, and so many other products. With this side hustle, your success will only be hindered by your lack of creativity and determination. You will potentially make $10,000 a month and you might decide never to go back to your 9-to-5 job again. Coaching and teaching is the next online side hustle for nursing parents. I could do a full video on this, but just to pique your interest, did you know that there are websites where you can teach people how to speak and write English for a fee? All over the world, there are billions of people trying to learn the English language since it is the de facto language of business and commerce for the entire world. Some are trying to become better at it so that they can study abroad. Fortunately, there are websites and apps that connect you as a tutor to potential clients so that you can make money teaching them English. Examples are Schooly, Google Kid, and English Hunt. On some of these sites, you don't even have to develop a curriculum for teaching. All you have to do is to have 1-hour conversations in English with your clients so that they can improve in their speaking, all for a $20 to $30 fee. If you want to see a detailed video about this, type in the comments, I am interested. The ones who comment will have a mention in that video and the lucky winner will walk away with $50. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you next time.